What's up, y'all? DIY-Elie here. Now, are your window screens looking like this? Don't worry, it is so easy, even I can do it. Let me show you. Just remove the old screen. Get you a window screen replacement kit from anywhere, really. I bought this from Amazon, but you can buy yours from anywhere because they sell them everywhere and there are different kinds. And they are very easy and quick to install. Remove the old spine like this, then remove the old screen. Go ahead and cut a new screen that's a little wider than the actual frame. Use the spline roller to push the new spline into the groove. Pull the screen tight, but be careful not to rip or cut it in the process. Then trim the excess screen with the little cutter that came with the actual kit. And that's all it takes. Then you go from this right here to this. The kit only cost me $20 and I have enough to do the entire house plus more. So it's easy, quick, and affordable. Anybody can do it.